Welcome to the DAPS Masternode Setup video, where we will provide a step-by-step tutorial on how to get your DAPS Masternode functioning as smoothly as possible. Masternodes are available on Windows, Linux, and Mac, and if you need any further help, feel free to join our DAPS tech support channel on Telegram. Links in the description. There are a few requirements to running a Masternode securely. You will need 1 million DAPS coins, a PC on any operating system with the latest DAPS Qt wallet, and a VPS such as Vultr or Aruba. You will also need PuTTY configuration software to interact with a Linux-based VPS. Next, we will open up a text editor like Notepad and make a list of the following items: Masternode name, collateral, stealth address, Masternode gen key, Masternode output, and the unique IP address of the VPS. Now we will open the wallet. Now we can start entering these values. You can name the Masternode anything you'd like. Then we will add the collateral, 1 million DAPS coins. We can find the stealth address in the Receive tab. Copy and paste it into the text document. Click on the wallet and press F1 to enter the debug console. Type Masternode gen key in the entry bar and then press enter. Copy this value and paste it into the text document. Copy the stealth address again and go to the Send tab. Send the collateral, 1 million DAPS coins, to this address. To send the transaction, enter your two-factor authentication code. Click Copy on the window that pops up, and press F1 again to enter the debug console. Type Masternode outputs and press enter. Copy the transaction hash and paste it into the text document. Then copy the output index and paste it after the transaction hash. There must be a space between the transaction hash and the output index. Finally, enter the unique IP address of the VPS. The one you enter will not look like the one in the example. On Windows, press Ctrl and the R key on your keyboard to bring up the Run window. Enter the text as shown here. On Mac and Linux, locate the folder shown here. Press Enter. Open the masternode.conf file. Now we will enter the information from our text document. We will use the first available blank space and make sure there is one space between each entry. First, enter the Masternode name. Space. Then enter the IP address of the VPS, followed by a colon in the port number 53572. Space. Copy and paste the Masternode gen key, space, and finally the Masternode output. Then save the masternode.conf file. You should also save the text document we've been using. Now we reach the technical portion. Clock icons will appear on the screen to give you a chance to pause the video. The beginning of this section is at 5 minutes. Here we go. Open up the PuTTY configuration software. Enter the unique IP address of your VPS under host name and enter 22 in the port entry bar. A command line box will appear for login information. Enter root for the value for login as and press enter. Also press enter for the password prompt. Some system information will appear. Type sudo apt update and press enter. Once this process has finished, type in sudo apt upgrade -y and press enter. Pause the video while this completes. Next, we will test your copy and pasting skills. You will need to create 2 new text documents. In the first text document, write the information shown here. Pause the video until this is done. We copy the first command and paste it into the command line. Press enter. Note that once the GitHub is live, this command will work. Copy the second one and paste it into the command line and press enter. Do the same with the third and the fourth. Now copy and paste the vi-dapscoin.conf command and paste it into the command line. Now we will edit the second new text document that you've created. Replace the RPC user and RPC password lines with something random. The next 6 entries will be the same as the example. Replace the external IP with the IP address of your VPS, and for the Masternode priv key line, paste in the Masternode gen key. Pause this video to write down this information. Copy everything you've entered and paste it into the command line. Then press Ctrl+C and type :WQ and press enter. You have successfully edited the dapscoin.conf file on the VPS server. Now your Masternode is ready to start. Copy and paste the next command to run the Masternode. You should see dapscoin server starting. You can use the last command to check the status of your Masternode. There are a few more steps to complete before you can celebrate. DAPS takes privacy and security seriously, so in order to protect your Masternodes, we're going to set up some defenses. Feel free to add these commands to the same text document you've written the other set of commands. Pause to copy them down. Step 1. Always make sure your VPS is up to date. This first command will take care of that. Copy and paste it into the command line. Step 2. Install fail to ban. Copy and paste this command into the command line. Step 3. Allow ports in the firewall. The next 3 commands need to be copied and pasted separately. Step 4. Enable the firewall with this command. Copy and paste it into the command line. Then press the Y key, then enter. Use the dapscoin-CLI get blockchain info command to check if your Masternode is online. Now we go back into the wallet and click on the Masternodes tab. Right click and press Start Alias on the Masternode you've just configured. It will ask if you want to start your Masternode. Press yes. Congratulations, your Masternode is now up and running. You can always check the status of it right from your PC's Qt wallet, but make sure you log into your VPS every once in a while to update. Thanks for watching. If you need any additional help, feel free to join our DAPS tech support channel and ask any question you may have. DAPS Coin. Privacy is a right, not a privilege.